Hi, my love. Thank you for the 7 million in the house. Thank you so much. Good evening. Did you have a good day? Yeah. Have a good day. Good evening, Paul. Where are you from? Thank you for the 7 million in the house. Salamat. Everton, beautiful. Thank you, Everton. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Everton. Welcome to my live stream. Thank you. Where are you from, Burton? Everton. Everton. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. The thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Guys, tap the like button. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for the 11 now. Why? Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. I love you. Pandimap. Hi, Pandimap. Where are you from? Gali. Darigat Salam. What do you mean? Indonesia, Salam Kenal, thanks. Ah, we're from Indonesia. Dilshad, thumbs up. Thank you, Dilshad. Thank you for the 15 million in the house. Salamat. Thank you for the 15 thumbs up. Salamat. Indian. Ah, okay. Welcome to my live stream. Fendi. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you. Stands. Okay. My name is Cheryl. Hi, Peru Amak. Hi, Peru Amak. I don't tell her what to do. My cousin. Tahan. Thank you. Ay, grabe ganda naman. Salamat naman. Ay, grabe ganda naman. Thank you, Delshad. Sa camera lang yan. Camera tricks. Thank you, Delshad. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. My name is Pearl. Where are you from, Pearl? Pearl. Turkey. Shout out to Turkey from Philippines. You all like video soccer. Thank you, Pandi. Pandi sa.
Oh, kanina na ba yung nakakabos?
Kanasyo.
Wala, mga nakakalit na. Daritod man.
Yan na, tayo harap ang cellphone. Ayan, naman sa cellphone. Na tumakaluwa. Diri ka na magsulod. Dito ka na. Ano ka ganda mo? Kaya na dyan dali. Ma,
Hi, sabi mo hi.
Si Hi.
Hi ka, hi.
Hi.
Hi, Nabibi, hi.
Ang bilis eating.
Hi, kay Dunu, hi.
Are you single? No, I'm not single.
Wow.
Filipina, yes, I'm Filipina. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Ano ba lang? Grabe na init na nga.
Ano ba? Ha? Magala pa naman. Medyo purpose ko na lang. Okay.
Mga sa
Hi, salamat for the 13 million in the house and 6 thumbs up. Thank you, guys. English, guys. Please, English or Tagalog. Thank you. Peru, thank you for the 13. Wow! Wow! Manila na siya nanaliyon. Bodi ka! Kami na kagayon! Hindi niya makapaniwala. Kagayon!
Wow.
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you, Peru. Kagayon ni Jatling. Hi!
Ay, pagpunta ka lang, para kita sa pagbahin. Kumawa ka. Hindi sa pagkadiri.
Magaan na siya, nalilumlum.
Diri tayo sa power, power.
Tatatatat.
Baliktad!
Thank you for the 12 million in the house and the 6 thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wow! Baliktad!
Wow! Baliktad!
Wow, wow. Nakaturog na gulo. Ipirit ka na sa
Pero na, sleep
ano,
na.
pag sa alas 12, paparungan siya ni Papa ni kuryente. Nag-aayos dito. Di naharana ang Diyos.
Are your telephone number WhatsApp? I have no WhatsApp. If you guys speak English, that will be great. If not, you will be asked to leave. Thank you guys for your cooperation. Darius, no. Darius? Harap ako.
Wow!
Wow. Wrong spell. Ah, okay. Please. Bon. Okay. Telephone number. I have no telephone number. Phone number.
Bumbo! Babago doon, bibi! Diyos ko. Dito ka na lang sa sulod. Dito ka na lang.
Bisita ng
Kaya ako
kolehiyo.
ka.
Hi, Argan, Amoren, Pero, no number, no number. Hi, Erivan, Amoren. Bisita no kolehiyo. No kolehiyo. Where are you from? Where are you from, Erivan? Why? Because I have no number. Sorry, guys. Sorry naman. Maganda na ka rin ba?
Baga na bago ako sa init ka.
Pag ako kapapagal na rin. Thank you for the 9 million in the house. Salamat.
Ay!
Taon di.
Nana, kanana.
Taon di. What it means? She just told you she has a boyfriend. So, yeah. Hey.
Guys, ano natulog na ini?
Turkey came. Turkey came. More risky Korean TVs. Citing crazy. From London.
Nalikay na lang tayo.
Nalikayo na lang. Nana. That means Nana. Turkey came. Hello, my beautiful friend. How are you? Still waiting to meet your friend. Ah, wow. Harley. Hi, Harley. You still... How old are you, Harley? How old are you? '67. Where are you from, Harley? Came to the Turkey. I mesos pesos. What means? What it means? I am 56. Arizona. Okay. Harley, her friends are cute. I am 56, bro. Thank you for the 14 million in the house and the 7 thumbs up. Yeah. Cute. Cute. What do you mean? BC Yoga Photo Ball. What it means? Caravana Morin. She hit Carlos up with one of her friends this week. Yeah. They are talking. They're still talking each other on WhatsApp. Carlos and Ruby. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Really, that's good. How much older than you have your little guy? He's older than me. Turkey, Peru. Hi, Steve. How are you, Steve? Guys, hit the like and button. Thank you. Thank you, Harley. Si Poken. Thank you for the 10 million thumbs up. Thank you for the 11. 7 guys, hit like the button. Thank you. Steve, 13 years old than you. Older than you. Maybe like that. 13. Maybe this time. Is there a topic? A topic? I am 57. I am 40 years old. AGPD. Hi, AGPD. How are you? No, Steve, just talk. Yeah, just talk. Just chatting. Talking. Thank you for the thumbs up. Just talk. Yes, just talk. Hi po ate. Hi Maku Salvalion. Kumusta? Welcome back Salvalion. Maku. Thank you for the thumbs up. No topic, just keep it clean. Are you an American or is American? Hi. Hi. Your baby. Yes, Texas. Your baby. Maybe. Still no topic. No topic. You, what's the topic today? The topic for today is ano? Pahayahay outside, diba? Mainit kasi. Ano kayo? Ay, thank you for the 20 to. Salamat sa pumupunta. Salamat po. Thank you. What topic for today's day? What do you like the topic for today? Kayo. Anong gusto niya? Hi, Mako. Hi, Mako. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Hello, Tim. Thank you for the 13 thumbs up, guys. Thank you. Salamat. Hello. Are you at a park of school or gym or? School or gym or? The topic is to tell everyone. To tell everyone. Kanina, inaaway mo ko, Dave. Ngayon, nakipagbatit ka na sa akin. Ikaw ha. May topak. May topak. No, tupakin, no. For what? For what, Dave? May topak. May ano eh. Kaya, pasensyahan, no. Tupakin, one. Salamat. Thank you for 13. Later. Thanks everyone. Thank you, Steve. Thank you. Thank you for visiting. I love Steve. Thank you so much. I don't know what she said. I only know English. Yeah. Thank you for the 21 million dollars. Thank you so much. Overwhelmed. Pathumbs up, guys. Pathumbs up. I don't know what she said. Pathumbs up. Thank you for the 20 guys. I'm happy. To you, man. Tita Marie, musta? Magandang gabi po. Okay lang. Andito sa labas pahayahay. Papresko. May topak. What did Michael say to me, Cheryl? Michael said, you upset earlier when early in life, but now you good to her. You good to her. What did Michael say to me? Yan? He said, you good now, but you upset late earlier. Mainit pa rin dyan. Mainit pa. Summer feels pa. Grabe init. I don't know. I don't know to Mako. You don't know. You don't remember Mako? He joined me today morning here. Thank you for the 710 people in the house. Thank you so much. Hi, Kuya Dave's Adventures. Hi po. Hi, Kuya Dave's Adventures. Thank you so much. Inaaway mo ako kanina. Ay, nakalimutan niya. Dami niya kasing ano kanina eh. Dami niyang ano. Nakalimutan niya na kung sino dong nakaway niya. Marco, speak English. Speak English daw, Mako. Nahirapan din ako magsalita ng English eh. You fight with me, Teb. Ito pa kasi. No, I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting. Thank you for the 23. Thank you guys. No. Everyone more ay chike. Chige. 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 Thank you. Thank you guys. What do you mean? Nagigising ko lang, inom kape tayo, nakikinig ako. Sige lang po. Salamat, Tita Marie. Salamat po. Good morning there. Good morning, John. Gabi na dito. Salamat, Tita Marie, sa pagpunta. Lagi. Thank you so much. Malaking tulong po para sa Pachama. You may be a man, your channel has okay, a photo only 7 subscribers above. This share it's for channel. Huh? You didn't remember Tim. Okay, I tell you today you fight me. I don't know you. Hindi niya na maalala. Visita sa ay. What it means, salamat. Thank you po. There, and she's not gonna be you. She's not gonna be you. Busy you. Busy you. Busy you. Busy. Busy. Bad typing today. Why bad typing today? Bad typing. Thank you for the viewers. Thank you so much. Salamat. What do you mean? Silver 19, so many mistypes. Okay. So many mistypes. Mistakes types. Visita perto da sua casa agora. What it means? Can you speak English? I can don't understand. Guys, please hit the submission and like the button for sharing. Submission. Salamat. Nako, ate, kanina may lalaki na nagtakla sa akin sa gym. Nasa likod ko siya kanina. Sobrang weird. Ano nangyari? Nangyari, thank you for the 14 thumbs up. Lalaki nagtakla sa akin sa gym. Nasa likod ko siya. Bakit? What's happened? Huh? Wala na wala. Everyone more stop us. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, chat in English guys. Chat in English guys. No, what Mako say, Cheryl? She said, I forgot what she said. Someone at the gym, someone guy at the gym, he's weird. He's weird. I don't know what to do. Maybe, Mako, are you a man or a girl? No one. Opa. 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 Ang sakit na ang ulo ko. Nahilo na ako. Sobrang init. Yan. What do you mean? Thank you for the 15 viewers and the 15 thumbs up, guys. Helps me a lot. Watch our please. Thank you for the 11 thumbs up, viewers. Stay naman. Salamat, guys. Thank you, guys. Si Chamo para Kumar. Sana? Sorbete. What it means? Hindi ko gamitin. Can you speak English? Everyone. English, please. Please. Please, English. Or Tagalog. Yes. Boy, ate, he's a bad guy. Many people tell to me like that I'm scared. Okay. You need to be, kailangan mong maging kalmado, pasensyoso. Kasi maraming loko ngayon. Kaya kailangan laging kalmado, pasensyoso kasi daming loko. Kasi kapag pinatulan mo, worst lang. Who me a bad guy, not you. No, not you. When he meet at the gym, not you. Not you, yes. Not you, Sam, not you. Nantok na ako. Go sleeping. Ala na. Ba't ganun? Sana pa lang 22 minutes pa lang. Nantok na ako. Hard. My is a little girl. Mecca is a little girl. He said he's a boy, not a girl. Di maganda pa para min traduction and Portuguese dala. Mako is a little girl. Little girl? Bata pa si babae si Mako. Mako yung totoo, babae ka ba o lalaki ka? Yung totoo. Ayos ka. English Urban. Urban. Can you speak English Urban? Please. Urban. Thank you for the 14 million in the house. Salamat. Hi. Everyone speak English or Tagalog. Yeah, everyone please. English please, everyone. Masasabunutan ko ikaw, everyone. Makukurot kita, everyone please. Thank you for the 17.
Ano yan?
F. Wala nang energy. Thank you. You cannot say English. What? English, please. Ate, the mini boys at the gym, ate, always target me. The mini boys, me, me are the innocent girl are afraid to weird boys. Kaya target nila ako. Target ka nila. Kailangan mong iwasan yung mga ganyan. Iwas. Kapag alam mo nasa alanganin ka, takbo. Iwasan. I'm going to IHOP for breakfast. Bye. Thank you, Tita Marie. Thank you for joining. Salamat po sa pagpunta. Tita Marie, salamat po. Antonio Torres, buenos días, como amaneciste hoy en la mañana y de dónde eres? What it means? Tita, where you at? She's is in Canada. Tita is live in Canada, I think. Vancouver, Canada. But he's Filipina. He live in Canada. Okay, because IHOP. What means IHOP? What means IHOP? Tigs. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. What means? Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Ayos First ko po, lumabas ng gabi ate. Ngayon pa nangyari sa akin to. Ano ka na? Umalis ka na. Iwasan mo yung mga ganihip sa restaurant. Wow. Sana. Maybe, she live in America. Because she knows IHOP. Eris Canadiense y eres soltera. Soltera. Single. Yeah, I understand that. Soltera. Soltero. Are you soltero? Antonio Torres. Where are you from? Bicol. Bicol po. Text. I text from Bicol. Canada. BC Casada. BC Casada. Where are you from, Erivan Amorin? Are you Portuguese? Portuguese. I'm from Philippines. From Filipina. Pinoy ako.
Pinuluway-luway ko,
Pumaknit na. Maturog na kita. Ano? Sagan. Ask her again. I will put you in timer. Zizzy can I chat with you in person? What time is there? 9:11 p.m. here. Urban, near to the disco car. I don't know what it means. Latino to what? So, I don't understand. Antonio Torres. I think I'm a dangerous place here. I'm not safe. Or I'm not comfortable here in Davao City. I Top Davao City, sana. So many supporter. 30. Why you are at the place descent? Why you feel so afraid? Afraid. The Erivan Amorin. What it means? Oh. Ano yun? Nasa katamulo ko? I want. Maybe he doesn't know how to speak English. Maybe. Hi for the 15 million. Antonio Torres, Hoblar English. What happened? Sorry Antonio Torres. What happened, Antonio? Antonio, what happened? Maybe yet. I understand. Team. Hello. Nangyari? So you have a beautiful basketball court near you. Yeah. Have a basketball court here. What's happening? What's wrong with you? What's wrong? Come on, guys. Wait. Kasi Nana. Nakangka? Nana pagkaon. Kaya to dito na sulod ko kanina ng jogging pants sa dito sa may katreho. Kaya dito ang pitaka ko. Sa bulsa sa likod. Sana team. Same team. What? What? Are you married? No, I'm not married. Please. I'm not married, please. Is it still shooting? Yeah. Ha? Didi ang katriniwan. Sinunod ko na jogging pants. Ni pwede portable. Okay. Thumbs up dan maganda Cheryl. Hi, Greg! Hi! Welcome. Welcome, Greg. Paano kita ka? Kumusta, Greg? How are you, Greg? Thank you so much for joining here again. Lemuel Samodo. Saan lugar mo? Bicol po. Bicol po. So, tradisyon po. What it means po? Hi, 60. 60. Good evening po. Hi, Greg. Thank you, Greg. He drill it to Panas. Hi, Greg. What it means? Everyone, please be respectful to our beautiful host. Thank you, Greg. Thank you so much, Greg. While I walking my cousin to the basketball court, my cousin sees the boy at the back. The boy biker is really weird action. What action? Hello, Tam. I'm Greg. What action? What? Going to fight, harass like that. What it means? What do you mean? Ano ibig mo sabihin? Baka na lang. Baka na nagkuha ka na. Baka na lang. Saan yan naman? Maubusan kita sa. Hi. Hello, Sunny Vlogs. Hi, Sunny. American man, hello. Sunny Vlogs. Dan Dikit, mom. Thanks. God bless. Salamat, Danny Vlogs. Balikan ko kita. Iwan ka lang ulit baka sa ano ko. Sa kahit sa short video ko para mabalikan ko kita. Salamat, Sunny Vlogs. Thank you so much po. Thank you po, Sunny. Thanks. Welcome po, Sunny. Welcome, Sunny. Thank you. Salamat sa pagpunta. Salamat sa thumbs up. Taga saan ka, ma'am? Taga Bicol po. Bicol po. Bicolana. Pilipinas. Sarap. Dito. Uy, magsilinas ka. Magsilinas ka. Is that thing still shooting? Yeah. It's still shooting. Basketball court. Dito rin kami sa Bicol ngayong nag-stop over. Okay. Saan ka punta? Saan ka punta? Tunes. Umaga pa dyan sa inyo ate. Sa amin sa Davao. Gabi na po. Gabi na. Ilaw yan. Ilaw yan o. Ilaw yan o. Mamadilim na. Ilaw yan. Hindi yan araw. Mukhang araw lang. Yan o. Borongan City Summer. Okay. Dadaanan kasi yung Bicol. Dadaanan kasi yung Bicol. Panangkok na. Hi, Cheryl. Mustafa Kamagini. Hi po, Mustafa. Salamat, Gab.
Pagkakap naman yan.
Ano minakalit ka? Mag-inom ka tubig, ha? Thank you for the thumbs up. Do you remember me? Yeah, I remember you. When does school start again there? June. June. Start with June. Here. Mustafa, you're back. Yeah. Hi, Poo. Hi, Krea. Welcome back, Krea. Krea. Kumusta na? Hi, Matu. Hello, Mustafa. How are you? How are you? Thank you for the 17 people in the house. Salamat. Thank you po. Thank you, guys. Salamat po. La 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 coffee. Gab, timplay ng kape ko. Okay lang, timplan mga kape. Nakaturog pa na si mama. Salamat kuya Gab. Ala, dali. Ito, I'm not okay. Bakit hindi okay? Because of trauma. Felt sleeping na talaga. Nantok na ako. Wait. Pagod na ako, timplan mo. Gab. I feel... I will live soon. Later. I need to pick up my eyes. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for joining. I need to take up my eyes. A little tired. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you guys. Love you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.